But Doc, are there times na parang ikaw mismo yung pag kunwari nag-share sa'yo ang isang patient, tas parang maski ikaw parang you get stumped na parang wait a minute,
Oh.
what to do in this kind of situation? Parang hindi ba mahirap na parang they're just relying on you for all different kinds of advice?
So that happens, definitely. Tapos meron naman kami sa ethics na pwede ka mag-consult, no? Parang with anonymity. Parang hindi mo sasabihin who your client is, don't give too many details, and you can ask for parang general practice advice from your colleagues. But other than that, Pia, actually, in a way, I want to clarify na ang therapist hindi necessarily nagbibigay ng advice. Hindi nanggagaling sa amin yung sagot. And a lot of times, actually, and this is what makes my job possible. Kasi, di ba, kung advice giver ako, I have to know everything. I have to be the expert of everything. And so actually what we do is we help or we just guide our clients. Di ba? Parang, kasi buhay nila yan experience nila yan. So actually, ultimately, there's somewhere inside of them. Di ba? They know what they need to do. So sometimes we just need to guide them, parang organize their thoughts, help them calm down, so that they can, di ba, think about their problems. So thankfully, merong ganong side ng aming work, di ba, na hindi kami dapat expert, kami kailangan expert. So minsan, pag may tinatanong sila, sasabihin ko naman, hindi ko alam. Generally.
So kumbaga, oo, it's not like you don't come to me so I'll tell you what to do. Parang you come to me so I can listen to you and help you as best as I can.
Yeah, kasi di ba, yun nga, sabi mo nga parang, kung may secret ka, di ba, sabi mo nga, tell another person, parang pwede niyong pag-usapan.
Oo nga.
So sometimes that alone can help.